Let's take a look at the Crucial T705 Gen 5 NVMe SSD. This is an extremely fast drive, up to 13,600 megabytes per second speed on this 1TB drive. PCIe Gen 5 is truly amazing. Let's open it from this side. Here it is. That is a tall heatsink. This is a nice plastic cradle for the SSD. Matte black finish. Nice. The heatsink is quite tall. Take a look at that. And there's also fins to maximize the cooling capabilities. Thanks to this efficient design, the SSD doesn't weigh a lot. The PCB is also matte black, ensuring consistency in terms of aesthetics. The bottom heat plate also features matte black finish throughout. And it is actually functional because it transfers heat away from the bottom of the SSD and to the heatsink, helping to maximize performance and consistency under heavy loads. This is a good-looking SSD that would fit in well into any black-themed PC build. Very nice. Let me know what you think about the Crucial T705. And if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to reward it with a like and subscribe for more if you haven't already. It was I, Vadim. Until next time.